Okay, so this video is for those who want to remove the headlight switch from your F150. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn it all the way out, pull the fog light, take something pokey and put it right in there in the hole, and you're going to push forward. You're just going to push it and pull it off. Of course, it's hard to do this, but you just got to be careful. You will get it. There it goes. Okay, so with this still in the truck and you just removed that, and that is in the fog light position, what you want to do is put it in upside down so that it's opposite of the fog light. Now when you do that, you push it in and clicks. Watch what happens to this pin. See that? The mechanism moves, but only when you put it in upside down.